Hello everyone, welcome to ZU Educator Exam Prep. Myself Z Fetcher, a freelancer, blogger and a motivator. In this video, you are going to learn about 7 types of non-probability sampling used in research. So let's start the session with 7 types of non-probability sampling. 7 types of non-probability sampling are judgment sampling, convenience sampling, volunteer sampling, quota sampling, crowd sampling, snowball sampling, and web panels sampling. Moving next, we have convenience sampling. Convenience sampling is a non-probability sampling method. In this case, units are selected for inclusion in the sample because they are the easiest for the researcher to access. Convenience sampling is possible due to geographical proximity, availability at a given time, or willingness to participate in the research. Convenience sampling is a qualitative research sampling. Moving next, we have judgment sampling. Judgment sampling is also known as purposive sampling or authoritative sampling. Judgment sample is also called expert sample. Judgment sample is selected based on the opinion of an expert. Judgment sampling is a non-probability sampling technique. In this case, the sample members are chosen only on the basis of the researcher's knowledge and judgment. Now we have volunteer sampling. In volunteer sampling, participants are willing to participate and actively engage in the research process. Process of volunteer sampling is accessible and convenient. Volunteer sampling is cost effective. Volunteer sampling supports quick data collection and analysis. Moving next, we have quota sampling. Quota sampling is a non-probability sampling method that relies on the non-random selection of a predetermined number or proportion of units. Quota sampling replicates the population of interest in a real sense. Quota sampling aims to get the best representation of respondents in the final sample. Quota sampling aims to accurately represent the population. In quota sampling, the quality of quota sample varies because the selected group represents the population. Researchers use quota sampling to determine the characteristics of a specific group. Quota sampling saves research time. Moving next, we have crowdsourcing sampling. Crowdsourcing sampling is the collection of information, opinions, or work from a group of people, usually sourced via the internet. Crowdsourcing sampling is the process of aggregating crowd wisdom to solve a problem. Crowdsourcing work allows companies to save time and money while tapping into people with different skills or thoughts from all over the world. Crowdsourcing is used increasingly in health and medical research. Snowball sampling. Snowball sampling is a non-probability sampling technique. In this case, existing study subjects recruit future subjects from one among their acquaintances. In this case, research participants are asked to assist researchers in identifying other potential subjects. Snowball sampling is used when no sampling frame can be constructed. Web panel sampling. Web panel sampling utilizes samples from web panels. Web panel sampling involves randomly choosing a group of people to be part of a panel that takes part in a study several times over a period of time. Web panel sampling is used primarily for studying change in behavior or attitudes through repeated interviews. Web panel sampling method is used for collecting consumer research data ubiquitous in the fields of marketing and academia. This is all about the session. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel ZU Educator Exam Prep. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.